guys! Welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 3 series ng The Oldest View, part 3. So ang title, The Rolling Giant. So yun nga guys, is yung sa first natin is nai-react ko yung 2 series sa isang video, The Oldest View, Renewal, and Beneath the Earth. So ito, dito naman tayo sa Rolling Giants. So I think this is the last series ng The Oldest View ng ni Kane Pixel. So, hindi ko na papatagal dito guys. Let's go to the video and let's react. Okay guys, naka-ready na ang video. So, this is 46 and 17 seconds. Medyo mahaba-haba ang ating i-react. And mag-headset na ako. Let's play. So, lagi yung intro is laging sa gubat. Kasi kada yung sa una, gubat din yun. Then, pangalawa, gubat pa rin.
What's good guys, Wyatt here, back again. So it's been a couple days since my last video. I'm in a rush right now just because I have to get to class in a few minutes, so I'll try to record this quickly. But anyway, I wanted to do a update video on what happened the other day at the end of my last video. So I haven't gone back down there since
bumalik
since
siya.
then.
Ulit siya all the way that far.
The side of the hole a couple times in the past few days. I took someone in the comments advice and I was able to get a couple of trail cameras from my old botany professor. I ended up switching to business back in like January, but I went back to her and she was nice enough to lend out 2 of her trail cameras to me. So I was able to take them out there, plant them, one out in the bushes looking at the hole and one in the hole, discreetly of course. And I already know, like, you guys are gonna say that's totally sketch. It's private property. Yeah. All right, so sue me. If the landowners find this, sue me. Go ahead, try to do that. Yeah, but there's no way I'm walking away from this thing. I need answers. So I set up the trail cameras, and I didn't see anything. No one showed up. I got like 1 deer, a lot of witches, like a lot of nothing in grass, but. Yeah, I didn't see anyone the whole time. So that definitely doesn't really answer any questions, like why there is a mile-long staircase going down to what looks like a shopping mall in the middle of nowhere. But it makes me less hesitant to go back. Because last time I started, especially on the way out, after I stopped recording, I got very paranoid I was going to run into people. Like I tripped some sort of silent alarm. But it seems really devoid of life. There's no one around. Alright, so I gotta dip for now, but my plan is to head back out to the woods later today, and record a part 2. So, see you there.
So, bakit siya pabalik? Sipag mo naman, kuya.
Alright, so we're out here. I've been walking for like 30 minutes now. Got off the trail a little while ago. From here it's pretty much just like a straight shot through these woods. So it's nice.
Ito pa kaya yung haba ng kanyang binabaan. Ganon din kahaba ng kanyang akyatin. So babalik siya doon kasi nakakurious siya kasi bakit may shopping mall.
Finally, here we are. It looks untouched.
Parang walang ilaw.
It looks exactly the same as when I was here yesterday to pick up the trail cams. They even set up some sticks down there to tell if someone had walked. So it looks like no one's been here since yesterday, at least, and no one has been there for a few days before. You can see over here, this is, that's where I put the outdoor trail cam.
Kung may dumadabang ibang tao or what, or yun nga, sabi niya kung may landlord kasi nga trespassing siya, gano'n. Namilo pa rin.
You can see that's the spot where I put
kanina wala eh.
Camera. Oh, and also
bababa ulit siya ng ganung kalayo.
This went out sometime while I was away. I noticed when I was watching back the last video. I'm not sure what to make of that. You know, I'm still on the fence about sharing any info with the location here, just because I don't know who I'm going to attract with this, and I don't know who I'm getting into. This is clearly no fucking joke, the scale of this thing, but I did a deep dive online after I got back last time. And didn't really come up with anything. There was like a mining company that owns part of the land here, but I think all of this is just owned by a family. Not anyone particularly notable, just like locals, I think. None of you are getting the leg workout I'm getting. Like, on the way back, having to climb up those stairs again, and then all the way up through the woods, it was like dark for like a solid hour walking back. I thought it was not fucking bad, but yeah, honestly, they've been sore for days, and this is not gonna help. It's good.
Hello, parang may tao sa dulo, no?
I forgot to mention this, but also, day after the last video, the day before I put the cameras in, I didn't put the cameras in, I came around for a little while, sort of scouted the area, just to see if I could find any equipment, just traces of people, really at all. Didn't see anything.
May parang may music na sa background.
It's like, whatever this is, very much a back door.
Yun.
There's 100% other entrances, but
hindi, ito minto.
It smells like cut grass smell when I usually get sun. What kind of smell?
Yan, nakatakot naman yung pagbukas ng pinto. Kaya may mall sa ilalim ng ano, no? Tahimik. Madilim, hindi masyado makita. Curious ka eh. Kaya ganun. Ay, puta. Bigla siyang umangat. Siyempre, kung sino man yung gawin, inaangat ko lang, biglang gumanan. Sinong hindi magugulat talaga doon? Nanay niya kasi, baka yung pag-angat niya, baka may tao. Hinintay niya baka may dumating eh. Putek yan, nakakatakot. Ang dilim mo. Tapos sa explore mo yan. Back out na ako. Di kaya. Ang dilim eh. Wala, umiilaw eh. The fuck? Bakit may mall? May shopping mall sa ilalim ng ng puno na to. Kasi may malaking puno, di ba, dun sa tapos may mall dito. Ayan. Midtown Artwork. Dallas, Texas. Nasa Texas ba siya? Hindi ko maano kung talagang literal na sa Dallas, Texas siya kasi Dallas, Texas yung nakalagay doon. Grabe, no? Talagang may mall sa ilalim ng ng puno na to. Parang siya, yung mall, yung shopping mall, parang familiar. Hindi kaya ito yung Dead Mall. Yung last time na nireact ko yung backrooms about sa Dead Mall, parang same. Pero kung paparodi ko pa ng buo ito, hindi ko malalaman. Can you name it? Veggies to start with the letter V. Vegetable to start with the letter V. Kahit ako, wala akong maisip. Holy shit. Oo nga, ito nga yung Dead Mall. Ayun o, familiar yung M na yun. So, nasa Dead Mall siya. Paano napunta yung Dead Mall sa ilalim ng na yan? Yun. Nakakatakot. Ang lawak pa naman yan. Mall eh. May something. Grabe na. Nasa isang malaki kang mall at ikaw lang yung tao dyan. Tapos may kasama kang iba na hindi tao. Or may something. Diba? Back out na ako dyan. Let's go. Thank you for shopping. Valley View Center at Dallas Midtown. Oo nga, ito nga yung Dead Mall. Sabi na, nakakatakot naman ng gano'n nun. Walang ilaw eh. Ano yan? Yun na yung the way siyang lumingon mo, tapos biglang meron sa likod niya. Doon ako na ikot ng labo. Grabe, ang dilim. Nakakatakot. Tapos i-explore ka ng ganyan. Guest services.
Yes,
Ang dilim. Nang makita. Yung the way siyang lumingon, nakakabisit. Nakakatakot kasi biglang nalay mo meron sa likod niya, hindi mo masabi.
I hear something. I see.
Ano pa yun? Artist galleries and studio. Takinan, dilim. Wala ka talagang makita. Tangina, bigla ako nakaramdam ng kaba. Nakakatakot kasi. Kakabahan ka, bigla may lumitaw dyan na hindi mo maano. Hindi naman tao. Hindi something pala. Tapos sa pinakailalim ka pa ng at yung sinasabi parang impyerno yung napuntahan mo, shopping mall lang. Sa bagay, tawag naman dyan, dead mall. Dead mall yun eh. We're back. Rated by Reunion TXRT Scholar Proof. Sige, para see them again. Versailles Puppet of Bridge Orano Parade Giant. The fuck nearly stole the show. So, nakat mo siya. Kaya basa, bala na kayo dun. Sa'yo na yun. Uy! Ngayon, bumalili ito yung puppet mo. Nakakaba. Hindi rin sa ilalim mo. Uy, putang ina mo. What the fuck? Yan na, laki ng puppet na yun. Ganun pa talaga kulay niya, parang pula. Nakakatakot na itsura. Biglang nagkaroon ng music. At umilaw yung mga ano. Ayan o. Parang nag-operate yung mall. Ayan o. Nag-switch lahat. Ayan o. Nagsisibukas yung mga ilaw. Ayan o. Tsaka yung music. Ibig sabihin may nagbukas. What the fuck? Kanina ang dilim, diba? Walang makita. Kasi dito nakikita na siya kasi nagbukas lahat ng ilaw. Naano mo kasi pa kami tao kasi nga nagbukas yung ilaw, nag-operate. Ayan o. What the fuck? Alis na. Babalik na siya. Alis na siya. Kasi nag-operate, nag-ilaw bukas lahat eh. Alis na siya. Babalik na siya. Ayun o. Lahat ng ilaw. What the fuck? Hindi na siya makabalik. Nag-ano yung ano? Gagi, nangarangan siya. Para siya babalik.
Come on. Wait.
Simula nakita niyo yung malaking puppet, parang nagganyan. Gagi. Parang binaksakan.
Really fucked up, guys.
Hindi siya ka ano, hindi narinig na nagkaroon ng commotion nung about dun sa hagdan. Di ba dapat rinig? So, ang only way lang is kanina yung mall at pagharap siya ng panibagong exit. Higa na siyang ano, lumiwanag oh. May exit daw. May tips na yun. Yung isa. Tumilim to. to yung exit. Walang ano. Nasa bagay kasi nasa ano sila. Sa pinakailalim. Na pala nung puro bato. Kasi mga kalubos. Lawak ba? Biglang may ano, nabitaw. Nawala yung puppet doon. Putang ina. Meron ba? Kaya ko meron. Paano naririnig yung thunder kung nasa ilalim ka ng lupa? Magiyo puppet ko. Magi. Nandiyan yung puppet. Nawala. Wala yung puppet. Yung the way siya umikot, nakakagulat. So, andun daw siya. What the heck? Kakalito ha. Ang dami niyang dadaanan. Yun. Ano yung butas? Akala mo talaga yung liwanag sa langit eh.
There's a door over here. Kidding me.
Ano yun? Ano gubat? Parang siyang gubat, no? Hindi lang. Parang gubat. Oo, ito ata yung gubat na lagi nakikita. Ayun. Tapa ka na yun. Saan ka magagamit ang elevator kung ano? Putang ina mo! Gogi, biglang lumitaw sang sa likod niya. Gogi, tang inang puppet to. Miss ka na dyan, miss ka na dyan!
Hello?
Nano niya kung may tao sa likod. Ito ano, nakakatakot ng puppet. Miss ka na dyan. Ang gagi, nung malapit yung puppet sa kanya.
Leave it. Try to leave.
Oh my god! Gagi, umalis ka na dyan. Lumayo ka na sa puppet na yan. Oh, butang ina ko. Ah!
Hey!
Naritak mo! Sige, sige, dyan, sagdan. Hindi naman makakakit yan eh. Ano? What the fuck? Walang tumutulak. Yun. Meron sa taas. Takbo! Dali, 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 dali! Ano na siya? Sa likod mo na siya. Dadaan mo. Shit, wala. Puro bato. Hapo. Dalisan mo. Yes! Takbo! Gagi, nasira niya yun. Yan mo, tawag mo. Ano? Oh, putang na. Puro ba to? Dali, 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 dali. Meron, takot naman yun. Dapat nilak niya. kaya siya makakalabas dyan, no? Lusot ka na lang para hindi umakit yung ano. Yan. Hindi marinig. Grabe, daw siya lumingon, no? Nakakatakot. Saan kaya siya pupunta? Ay, natilim. Ayun. Saan siya? Parang office. Sa office na siya. Paano nagkakaroon ng ano ganyan? Nag-office ka na sa ilalim ka ng lupa. At ilang feet under man yan. Ganun, yung lalim niya. Grabe. Ayan yung puno. Continue pa rin. Continue. Sa office siya. So, ito yung itsura ng mall. Sa labas. Ano to? Parang natapunan ng lupa or something na ganon. Tapos sa tubuan ng puno lang. Pero kung ano na siya eh, dapat luma na eh. Pero ang ganda pa rin. So, parang inaalam niya na yung nung mall. Baka kasi, makakita siya ng exit. Ayun o, like that. Ayun o, may exit. So, baka doon niya maano yung, siya makakalabas. Parang dinaanan niya na yung kanina yung simula eh. Yung AMC level. Daanan niya na yung kanina eh. Wala mong CCTV. Tapos kung wala kang tao, kung gaano ka ng camera.
Statue.
music pa rin. Parang nag-ano pa rin yung mall. What the fuck just happened? Parang naging ano na siya. Hindi ba itsura? Yung literal na itsura na siyang abandon. Mas nakakatakot siya. Ha? Tao ba yun? O hindi? Hindi ko siya makita. Nagsasalita. May napakita yung ano, yung puppet. We're back, we're back. Parang naano siya nung ano, yung mismo yung gubat. No. Gagi, ano nangyari doon sa lugar? Kanina ang ganda. May umabol lang sa kanya kaya nakakatakot. Pero mas nakakatakot. Mas nakakatakot na to kasi hindi na siya ano. Ano yun? Part ba ng music? Or talagang may taong nagsasalita? Or ano? Diyan ba siya? Mas siya nakita eh. Wah! Wow! Pagkakita mo! Dali! 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 Dalian mo! Dali na! Bisan mo! Notice. Oh my god. Oh my god. Dali. Doon. Sige. Ha? Sige, sige. Mano ka na? Dalian mo. Umakyat yung puppet.
What do you want?
What the fuck? May mga nakita siya.
Oh. Oh, shit. Shit. Shit.
Diyan mo na. Ay, nahihirap na ng exit na pag dadaruyan mo. Kalma, kalma ka lang, kalma. Saan yung puppet? Ano yun? May mga tao na. Diyan mo na. Uy! 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 Saan yung puppet? Ay! Yan na yung hagdan! Nagkadalaglag pa siya. Nangyari. Nangyari. Oh my God. Patay siya. Siya yan? My God, talaga na din yung puppet. What the fuck? Hindi siya na... Namatay siya. Oh my God. Gusto namatay siya, nandun lang siya sa gubat. Okay. Yan na yan, guys. Nakakatakot din. Kasi nakakatakot yung puppet. The way siyang habulin. So, yun lang, guys. Yun yung end of the our series PK Pixel. So, sana nagustuhan nyo itong reaction ko na to. So, sa PK Pixel. So, like and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on my other social media. To my TikTok and Facebook. So, yun lang, guys. Nakakagulat eh. Speechless ako doon kasi namatay siya. Kala ko lang maliligtas. So, yun lang, guys. So, sana nagustuhan nyo to. So, see you on my next video. On my next reaction. Bye-bye!